In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap on Monday.com. This is a simple and efficient way to keep track of your project milestones, timelines, and objectives all in one visually appealing place. Let's get started. First off, go to Monday.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login option in the upper right corner of your screen and click on it. If you haven't already signed up, you might need to create an account at this stage. Once you're on the login page, you'll have the option to sign in with Google or manually enter your email address. Choose the method that works best for you. If you opt for signing in with Google, select the email address you'll use to access the account. This will take you directly to your workspace, saving you the trouble of typing your details. Now that you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a blue plus sign button here. Click on it to begin creating your new board. After you click this, a list of options will appear. You'll want to look for board in this list. Hover your mouse over the arrow next to this option. You'll now see an option to start with template. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of template choices, which is super helpful if you're not quite sure where to begin. In your search bar, type in roadmap. This will pull up the template options related to roadmaps. Once the results load, look for product roadmap. This template is particularly useful for outlining project timelines and deliverables, making it just what you need to keep your team on the same page. After selecting the product roadmap template, go ahead and click on Use Template. This will add the template to your workspace so you can tailor it to your needs. To start customizing your roadmap, switch to the default view. This view provides a clear layout of your board and makes it easier to navigate through and organize your tasks. Once you have a grasp on the default view, try clicking on Gantt. This view transforms your data into a timeline format, which is excellent for visualizing the project over time. Finally, use the template as your base and begin editing the rows and columns according to your specific data. You can add, modify, or remove any details that are crucial for your team's objectives. Ensure that all your important milestones, deadlines, and tasks are in place so everyone can follow along effortlessly. And with that, you've successfully created a roadmap in Monday.com. Feel free to continue refining it as your project progresses. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your project management smoother and more effective.